like both just the same.
Yummy.
Very creamy and sweet. This one's very refreshing.
Cheers! Another cocktail, another day, guys. We are now here at Pasig, dito sa Manila Auto Display. Ito ay kanilang grand opening and na-invite nila ako as a private bartender.
Pagpasok ko, sinalubong ako ng kanilang manager. Ang Manila Auto Display is a car dealership located here in Pasig City. At today, ipapakita ko sa inyo yung ganap namin dito sa event.
Congrats sa grand opening.
Thank you,
Congrats,
boss.
congrats.
Thank you.
Kakatapos lang natin mag-setup. After this, open na natin yung bar natin.
Classic cocktails lang yung request ng client natin, guys. At may mga celebrities din tayo na guests. Tara, simulan na natin. Nag-photoshoot and video muna kami, guys. Order na si Miss Ashley Ortega ng drink sa atin, guys. Kung hindi ka pa naka-follow dito, please follow nyo na ako. Thank you.
Yummy.
So what's your order, ma'am?
I'll have an amaretto sour.
Amaretto sour?
Double strong.
Extra strong? Alright. Make it strong.
Extra
How about you,
strong.
ma'am? Same.
The same. Whiskey amaretto GNT. What's
So nilagyan ko siya ng whiskey for the extra strong.
That's weird. Mika.
Mika.
Nice to
Justin.
meet you.
Trisha, nice to meet you. So serving your amaretto sour
Thank you
with
so
extra
much.
strong. Try nyo.
It's good. That's good. It's good. It's good.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Justin. Vodka cranberry na lang.
One more. Vodka and garlic, sure.
I think that's an easy one. Wow, Mika. No, I think I'm good with two. You have two naman din eh. That's good. Try it. Try it. Oh, thank you so much.
This is your vodka cranberry.
Thank you so much. Cheers.
Cheers, cheers, cheers.
Cheers.
How's the drink?
Very good. I like both just the same. Very creamy and sweet. This one's very refreshing.
Cheers! Cheers! Cheers!
Pagkatapos ng aking service, nag-close na rin ako ng bar. Kung gusto nyo pa ng ganitong content, comment nyo Manila Auto. Itutuloy natin yung ganitong content.